boy, man. But
Yeah, I swear for God, man, I done recorded this video twice already. Third time has to be the charm, man. But if you clicked on this video, you want to know how you can fix your uneven beard. And luckily for y'all, man, I got the stamina, the endurance to record this video a third time so that I can help y'all, man. Give y'all some real talk and just a couple tips on how you can fix that uneven beard, man. So if y'all want to know these tips and tricks and just some straight up real talk, man, hey, stay tuned for the video. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy JMO704, and on today's video, man, we are going to be discussing how you can fix your uneven beard. Man, let's just get to the brass tacks of it, man. Growing a beard it's a process, you know, depending on who you are, you know, depending on a variety of factors, you know, it can be a relatively fast process or it can be a relatively slow process. I don't know you. I don't know what you got going on, but I can guarantee you this. It's going to be a process. And another way that I like to look at, you know, just having an uneven beard in general is look at our bodies, man. Our bodies ain't even symmetrical. You got one side of your body that is longer or shorter than the other side. So why would you think that your beard is the exception to the rule? You know, I like to go with the philosophy of, you know, the size of your beard should be more like brothers rather than twins. You know, like for me, for example, you know, my left side, man, is the struggle side. Compared to my right side, man, my right side is a champ, man. So, you know, you got the little brother over here that looks up to the big brother over here. And, you know, we just trying to get the little brother to, you know, just try to be as great as the big brother. But, you know, it may not never happen. And you know what? I'm cool with that. Because I know at the end of the day, people are not really looking so deep into my beard that, you know, they're going to be like, oh, what's going on with your left side of your beard? Why is your left side shorter than your right side? You know, ain't nobody thinking about that. You know, they just giving me a compliment on my beard. And, you know, it is what it is, man. So, you know, so that goes into tip number one. Man, calm your ass down. You know, bring the anxiety down. You know, nobody is really paying as close attention to your beard as much as you think they are, you know. Just keep that in mind, man. Tip number two, you know, this is more of a practical tip, something that you can actually apply. So the first tip was more about mindset, you know. Just having the mindset that, hey, you know, nobody's really paying attention as much as you think they are. The second tip I'm about to give is something that's a little bit more practical, something that you can really apply, you know, starting today. And that tip is, you know, depending on how your beard hair grows, you know, you want to be able to train your beard in the direction that you want it to grow. So if your beard grows outwards or upwards, or, you know, and the other side may grow downwards or just the opposite side, you know, you want to make sure that you train your beard in the direction that you want it to grow. So like for me, for example, what I do is, you know, whenever I twist my beard at night, as part of my nighttime routine, you know, I will twist my beard, but I'm twisting it downwards. You know, I'm not twisting it upwards. I'm not twisting it outwards. You know, I like that more streamlined, just downward look. So that's how I twist my beard. And then even whenever I untwist it and I run my pick through it, you know, I'm running the pick through my beard downwards, you know. So keep that in mind. You know, you want to train your beard in the direction that you want it to grow. All right. Third tip that I have for y'all is, you know, let's just say that you have a patchy beard. You know, you got one side of your beard that, you know, it hasn't filled in quite yet in comparison to your other side. Now, what you may want to do is you may want to just go ahead, you know, let this side continue to grow. You know, continue to still grow this side as well. Don't trim it up or anything like that. I mean, unless it just looks abnormally crazy, but more than likely it's probably pretty straight. You know, I probably wouldn't notice. But, you know, let this side grow in, and, you know, whenever you get it to the length that you want to get it to, then, you know, then you know, you go to your barber, or, you know, if you got some skills like that at the crib, then, you know what I'm saying, you can come through trim it down, and you know, try to even both sides up. But overall, man, nobody is really paying attention to your beard, man. So if you get a compliment while you out here in these streets, you know, accept the compliment. Cause I'm gonna tell y'all, man, I've gotten the most compliments on the days where I'm feeling the most self-conscious about my beard. You know, the days where I'm really overthinking it, you know, whenever it comes to my beard, man. And if you've ever felt like that, man, I'd be interested to know. Make sure you drop a comment down in the comment section. But, you know, somebody gives you a compliment, you know, don't be a lame. Don't be one of those like, oh, well, yeah, well, thank you, but man, just take the compliment and keep it moving, man. You know, so with that being said, man, I hope those tips were of value to you. I hope they helped you. You know, I hope that they gave you some kind of confidence to know that, you know, people aren't necessarily looking at your beard as closely as you think they are. Like I said, man, if I see a nice looking beard out here, I'm gonna give it a compliment. I'm not looking to see, you know, oh, well, he got a nice beard, but, you know, his right side is shorter than the other. Like, I'm really not paying attention to that. And I don't think most people are in general. So with that being said, man, if you enjoyed this video, stay your ass right here. I got videos here. I'm gonna post them somewhere. Make sure you go ahead and check those out. And follow your boy over on Instagram. And with that being said, man, if there's anything that you ever want to do in life, remember that it requires patience, consistency, and more importantly, it don't happen overnight. See y'all on the next video. Peace. And make sure you subscribe to the channel. I really hate saying that, but you know, I figured if you're here and if you're gonna check out some of these other videos, you might as well go ahead and support your boy and give me a sub, man.